clearly trading up right now because you see that little pop. Let's go into a one-day chart so it's more obvious. There you go. So it's clearly trading up right now. Oh, it went back to red for the one day. It's clearly trading up right now. But it's barely holding its position. Now, let's jump into another coin to see if it's indicative of the whole market. Decentraland. One-day chart, green, up. Pop at the end of the day, yes. See that pop at the very end of the day, right here. Went from 71, went up to 72 right now. 1 week chart. Yeah, I got a nice little pop this morning. Got a very, very nice pop this morning. 74, did not hold it. And now for the 1 month chart, it's actually heading negative, red for Decentraland. So if you've been watching this channel over the last 2 years of my crypto coverage, this is what we've generally seen on this channel. Coins generally start to trade up on Sunday afternoons and trade very much down on Saturday afternoons. So let's see if that plays out again tonight. It'll be very fascinating. We'll check back in tomorrow morning on live on air on Mornings LALATE at about 9 a.m. We'll see if that happens across the board. Why is this so important? Because we've had a lot of Sundays in a row, almost 4 Sundays in a row, where we're testing those lower support levels on Bitcoin, and we came out clear. We almost broke under them, and right now we're testing it again. Don't want to keep on testing that lower support level every Sunday on Bit, and the issue is that we're getting close again. We're getting really close again, whether it's Decentraland or whether it's Bitcoin. Here is what's at issue is that is the 1 week chart. And if we do not hold that support, you see how low we can go. Yeah. 3 month. You see how clear that is. We have a pop at the very end of that chart for the 3 month for Bitcoin. If we don't hold that support level right now, we go all the way back down to here with 22,000, 21,000. There's a big difference between 24,000 and 21,000. That's $3,000 drop. We don't want to drop again at all. And we have tested this almost 3 weeks in a row on Sundays on LALATE. That's why you don't want to miss the weekend shows on this channel, especially when it's your stimulus and it's also your money. Because BIT is testing those Sunday support levels once again, indicative of that over for Decentraland. Let's look at the Decentraland. Let's look at another coin right now. Here's Decentraland. I'm in the chart with you. 1 month. Very, very close. Very, very close. 1 week. Ooh, that just happened. That drop at the end just happened while I cut back and forth between BIT and Decentraland. Getting really, really close. So this is why your Sundays are so critical for watching LALATE, and your Sundays are so critical for your coins. Now let's jump over to some income movements across the board. We're trying to find some coins that are breaking out today, and where are our breakout coins? We started them this morning on Mornings LALATE and all in the membership newsletter. Why do you want to become a member if you're into crypto and also stocks? Because this is in the membership newsletter. Every morning, your breakout coins. What are we looking for breakout coins? We're looking for an opportunity to make some money and get in and get out. Income, not investment, income. And our approach is the following. A coin that is over 50 cents, preferably over $1. 2, that is up 15% for the day, potentially even more. And 3, done it before with a coin. So we want to get into a coin that's, let's say, maybe $1 up, $1 coin that is up, let's say 15% right now. Get in and get out, make our 15% for the day and get out and do it again, maybe with the same coin or another coin. And if we do it with the same coin again, that's even better. Burn has done this for us before. So has Wrapped Philcoin. Wrapped Philcoin started the day up 19%. We've had a run on this coin before in a 1 day run. It's a $8 coin. It makes total sense to go in and get out. We're not holding it long term. Burn fits our profile. $1 coin, up 27% earlier today. Perfect sense across the board. Asterisk next to both of them because they are breaking out across the board today, left and right. How do you find those coins? Step 1, go into the video, become a member. They're in the membership newsletter, updated daily at news.lalate.com/newsletter. Become a member and get all this incredible access to this incredible information. The password is delivered from me to you Monday through Friday, shortly after, the password is delivered from me to you every day. In all the posts on the channel that you become a member, go into that incredible password protected newsletter website and look at the breakout coins happening right now so that you can get on the path to some more income. It pays to become a member. There's a few dollars to become a member, and you get all this incredible information for you left and right. It also features your breakout coins and your most critical coins of the day, and these are some of them. Wrap Fill coin was featured on this morning's update to the membership newsletter. Why do I like it? It's an $8 coin. Good. It's up 19%. Better. And it's had a run like this before for us in one day. Perfect. You're a candidate for us to stock. Burn. Also featured in the membership newsletter this morning. $1 coin. Great. Up 28% this morning. Great. And it's had a run before. Perfect. The membership newsletter also features major coins and where they're going across the board. So you don't want to miss any of these details left and right. Become a member. Why would you not become a member? Access to all this incredible stimulus, months and months and months of stimulus checks, brand new computer, tablet, free internet, laptop, guidance on your breakout coins, opportunity to stock those coins, opportunity to make big moves across the board, and also this. Let's jump into the latest details on what's happening with the securities and Wall Street tonight. So tonight we have some other major elements at issue, and those are those comments from Federal Reserve Governor Michelle Bowman, who believes that those Treasury yields are going to go higher. Of course they're going to go higher. They're still trying to get a 2% target for inflation. Haven't gotten it yet. We had some corporate earnings that came in after the market closed. DoorDash up 7%, the stock, after it had reported a revenue beat and upward guidance. The company's fourth quarter revenue came in at $1.82 billion, higher than expectations of $1.7 billion, and their losses were greater than expected. Texas Roadhouse, however, dropped 5% after it came in with quarterly earnings and revenue below predictions. Revenue came in at $1.01 billion, missing analysts across the board. DraftKings gained 6% after market after posting a per share loss and revenue that was a little bit much in point with what they were looking for. And Moderna was down 6.7% after its influenza vaccine passed with mixed results in clinical trials. Applied Materials also added 2% after it posted the latest results. Its earnings were $2 a share, and its revenue was 6.74, beating expectations across the board. Big show, big broadcast. Let's jump back into the latest details of what's happening by the shores of Santa Monica, California, the Palisades Riviera. So John Rahm at the 17th hole right now is 9 under. He has a through the 9th hole is set through the through the 17th hole. Oh, it just changed again. Say it again. It keeps on changing as I'm about to read it. John Rahm is still in first place, and through the 10th hole, he is 16 under. Max Homa through the 11th hole is 16th under, and are now tied with Rahm. So Rahm and Homa are now tied at 16 under, but Homa's only in the 16th hole. Rahm is on the 10th hole. We also have a few golfers back a little bit further at 15 and 13 under. Tiger's further back across the board. This is the exciting Palisades Riviera Genesis Open. Been around since 1926. It's changed names over the year. The host is Tiger Woods. It's a par 71. And Rahm has been impressive. Max Homa especially impressive as well. And boy, it is now a 1, 2, 3, 4 golfer race, and there is less than 3 strokes between the 4 golfers. Tiger is not in the top 4, but he's doing really well. The total purse is $20 million. And full disclosure, I have 2 choices: to be with you tonight and recording, or be on a golf course and watching all this. A golf tournament that I've reported from as a golf reporter on scene before. It's a lot of fun to report golf on scene and in the press room. It's a lot of excitement. I've done it before. But ultimately, I chose to be with you because your livelihood is more important than the results of golf, at least for tonight. From the shores of Santa Monica, California, it's golf and also stimulus. And as one person asked me earlier today, is the stimulus in the shores of Santa Monica, California? The stimulus is not in the shores of Santa Monica. I'm by the shores of Santa Monica, California. So is the golf tonight as well. Everything you need to know, and it's all deliciousness. I'm so excited you're here, and let's see who's going to win in the next few hours. It's clearly going to be Rahm or Homa. I think both of them are just incredible people, incredible golfers, and they have very, very different ways of winning. Tiger's been very, very impressive as well in this tournament. from start to finish. A lot of deliciousness and a lot of excitement, and we're just getting started. The programming continues throughout the night. 3 live shows. It starts at 4 o'clock with Crypto Wall Street Live on Channel 3. 5 o'clock. This show's on Channel 1, LALATE Live. And then 6 o'clock, Stimulus Live on Channel 2. Everything you need to know, and the programming continues throughout the new week and the new morning. Make sure you become a member. Get all those incredible sums of money. You deserve it. It was passed for you. You deserve all the sums of money. Stay informed, stay focused. Keep on pouncing. Make yourself so proud. You're making me very proud. Do everything you're doing and do it even more. Stay informed, stay focused, and stay with LA for more.
From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a major night as evenings LA heats up on 3 channels, and the stimulus is here. And it's also an incredible membership newsletter. Have you become a member? In tonight's broadcast, we're going to go over these 2023 stimulus checks for you. SSI, SSDI, SSA, veterans, low income, stimulus checks A, B, and C first in this broadcast. Then we'll take a break, look at that incredible membership newsletter right here at news.la.com/newsletter. Then we'll go over the continuation of those checks, E to K, L to Q, and then children's checks, small business stimulus, and then the big second half of the breakout coins. The latest details on Crypto Wall Street tonight heats up left and right. Here are tonight's major coins. Wrapped Bitcoin up 19% right today. Burn up 27% as well. And if you've been watching broadcasts on this channel all day long, because they've been all new, you've seen this. Whoa, my goodness. Look at that drop. That is literally in the last 5 minutes. That is essentially. And look at Bitcoin. That is literally in the last 10 minutes. Huge. This morning we have a major run up on coins, and tonight, major run down. We'll go over the latest details of what's going on. It's all in that incredible membership newsletter. news.la.com/newsletter with those incredible stimulus checks. We'll go over these checks, A, B, and C for Joe Biden. Then we'll go to the incredible newsletter after stimulus check C, then E to K, L to Q. These are 2023 stimulus checks for you, SSI, SSDI, SSA, veterans, low income. We're going to go over the huge checks, MSC, and how do you get them? In the membership newsletter. We'll go over that at stimulus check C, become a member. And this broadcast will go over the major monthly stimulus checks, MSC, and how to get them from the shores of Santa Monica, California. It's a big night. It's a big broadcast. The golf is underway just a few miles away at the Riviera Country Club at the shores of Santa Monica, California. And we're going to go over the latest details, what's happening there and what's happening here. Stimulus and golf shots. A lot of deliciousness. And also some coin going left and right from the shores of Santa Monica, California. A lot of money today and a lot of money tonight. It's all heating up here and also on a golf course. Everything you need to know and everything we're going left and right with heats up tonight's broadcast. It's a brand new show and it's a brand new day, and it's also excitement left and right. Everything you need to see is on tonight's broadcast, and wow, what a show it's going to be. We're going to get all that incredible sums of money one at a time, starting right now. Good evening, everybody. One of the jokes has been on the channel all day long has been people asking, is the stimulus in the shores of Santa Monica, California? No, the stimulus is not in the shores. I'm near the shores of Santa Monica, California. And also by the shores of Santa Monica tonight is the Palisades Riviera Genesis Open. I'll be checking back in on what's going on with that excitement. Oh, my goodness, what a great show we have tonight. Massive stimulus checks. We'll go over that membership newsletter after stimulus check C, and we'll go over which checks are great. And in the big second half, we'll be jumping into, oh my Lord, my goodness. Have you been watching the new shows all day long? They've been all new all day long, and this chart has this Bitcoin and this Essential line have gone from green to red in just a very short period of time. Look at that free fall right now. Absolute massive free fall underway right now. And we'll be jumping into the latest details on this. Treasury yields rising to the highest level in 3 months. Potential more rate hikes from the Federal Reserve. What's going on? And also expansion of stimulus checks. What a big show we have tonight. And I'm so excited you are here. We're going to go over first stimulus checks A, B, and C. After stimulus check C, we'll go in that membership newsletter, which is right there. Then we'll go to E to K, L to Q, and it's primetime shows tonight. So we're going to go over those stimulus checks are the $500,000 stimulus, the children's checks, the unemployment stimulus checks. It's a big show. Let's go into that incredible money right now. The stimulus checks A, B, and C, E to K, L to Q are all this for 2023. These are law passed by the U.S. government for single individuals, $75,000 less, a married couple, $150,000 less, SSI, SSDI, SSA, veterans, low income. As I go through each of the checks, I'll detail for you which check I like and why I particularly like it. Stimulus check B is 18 months, 5 checks per month, $3,000 across the board. We'll go over each check one at a time. Let's jump into it right now. Stimulus check A, B, and C are huge. These are the ones passed by Joe Biden in spring of last year, and they're really quite wonderful. Stimulus check A is a $6,500 to $12,000 stimulus check. It's wonderful. The way that laws work is that once they're passed, they remain law so long as they're still funded, and these are all still funded. Stimulus check A is a $6,500 to $12,000 stimulus check. You deserve it. How do you get it? You go into the video, become a member. Go down to stimulus check A in that incredible membership newsletter where it's list A, and go get that beautiful stimulus check A. $6,500 to $12,000 stimulus check. Next up is stimulus check B, which I like for a lot of reasons. Because why? It does this. It pays you 18 months of beautiful checks, and not 18 months of one check. 18 months of about 5 checks per month. Frank Mancuso joined this channel as a member. Look at that beautiful hawk emoji member logo behind his name. And in less than 1 week, what did he get? Approximately 18 months of his mortgage, 18 months of all his utilities, and 18 months of high-speed internet checks every month. Let's add that up. Utilities, let's say he has 5 utility bills. And his mortgage, that's a 6th check. And his high-speed internet, that's a 7th check. That's 7 checks for nearly 20 months. That's nearly 140 checks he got by paying a few dollars to become a member of this channel. 140 checks he's getting for just paying a few dollars to become a member of this channel. And how much money is 140 checks? Well, let's run the numbers. 5 utility bills per month and his mortgage? Well, that's at least $1,000, folks. That's at least $1,000, all his utility bills and his mortgage. And his high-speed internet, that's at least $18,000. It did not cost him $18,000 to become a member. How quickly did he get this? In less than about 2 weeks. That's why you want to become a member. Stimulus check A is great. It's $6,500 to $12,000. But B is the one that does this. MSC, monthly stimulus checks. LALATE innovated the concept of advocating for monthly stimulus checks. I came up with the expression MSC. I invented the expression monthly or multiple stimulus checks. And it's law because you advocated for it as part of the Purple Power community for 3 years. And it's stimulus check B. As this channel approaches our 30-year anniversary, this is our legacy. 18 months, $3,000 across the board, 5 checks per month. Become a member. It's fast stimulus. In addition to stimulus check B, I love stimulus check C, which has been on this channel for a long time. And that is for rent, utilities, mortgage assistance, and more. In the membership news, I give you 12 places to reach out to, 12 things to say and what to say. Make sure you reach out to all 12 places for rent, utilities, and mortgage assistance. If you get a no, also reach out to the next one because you're also going to get a yes. That's how it works. And how much money can you get for these numbers? Let's look at the success stories from other viewers starting right now. In fact, let's go in reverse. Usually we start with a smaller number. Let's go with a bigger number. Here's Lorraine. She got $105,000 initially. Then she went to $155,000. Incredible. We're not alone there because Johnny got nearly $250,000 for his 20 friends and neighbors. Numbers keep on going higher every day. Here is Mark. Mark was at $50,000. He went to $100,000. Then $166,000 got stimulus because he got stimulus check B. And here's Nisi. Wonderful Nisi was at 23,000. She went to 50,000. Here's Nancy. She was at 32,000. She went to 50,000. Utilities. These were our graphics a few months ago. Now they're even higher across the board. They're over 20,000, 18 months of incredible utilities. And these were our rent numbers a few months ago. Now they're far over 30,000. Why would you wait to become a member if you can get $30,000 of your rent paid by the information in the membership newsletter? Why would you wait to become a member? Do it right now and get those credible stimulus checks A, B, and C. Same eligibility. Congratulations to Lorraine, 105,000. And Dragon has gotten 170,000 as a triple member to all three channels and a volunteer to the community page. Just absolutely huge. And those are your beautiful stimulus checks A, B, and C from Joe Biden past the spring of last year. Now, in addition to those incredible stimulus checks in the membership newsletter, we have stimulus checks E through K that came from Congress, and those are incredible. And let's look at those great stimulus checks, which are right in that membership newsletter together after A, B, and C. After Joe Biden passed those first three checks, A, B, and C, Congress came along and did other checks, E through K. And let's look at those checks right now. And how much did they pay? A lot. Stimulus check E is a $7,500 stimulus check. Love it. F, a $4,000 stimulus check. Incredible. Have you become a member? What are you waiting on? What are you waiting to become a member on? You think someone's going to just throw you $100,000 for doing nothing? No, become a member right now. Just a few dollars, just a little bit of an effort. You can have a lot of money. It's that straightforward. Stimulus check G is a beautiful, wonderful, incredible 30% off. H, $2,000 stimulus check. I, a gorgeous $8,000 stimulus check. J, $8,000 stimulus check. And K, a $14,000 stimulus check. These are the checks passed by Congress for you, and they are incredible. 18 months, $3,000 across the board, 5 checks per month. That's fast stimulus. Get these incredible stimulus checks, E through K, in that membership newsletter. L and M, N and O, and P and Q, let's look at those checks right now. L is $100,000 an average of loan interest free money. M, a $4,000 stimulus check. N, a brand new computer, tablet, laptop. Don't you love that? I love it. Stimulus check N in that membership newsletter. Brand new computer, tablet, laptop. You heard me right. And then O, 0 down payment, 0 closing costs on a brand new mortgage. And then P and Q. P is a beautiful refi, and Q is an $8,000 stimulus check. So there you go. That is $300,000 of stimulus right there. Law, Americans and U.S. states and U.S. territories. SSI, SSDI, SSA, veterans, low income. Married couple, $150,000 less. Single individual, $150,000, $75,000 less. Go get it right now. Fast stimulus, 5 checks per month, 18 months. You deserve it. Do it right now while it's still around. And you advocate for it, and we got it. Those are your beautiful stimulus checks. Again, step 1, go into this video, join the channel. Have you joined the channel? What are you waiting for? It's just a few dollars to become a member. It's just a few dollars to become a member, and you could be holding all these incredible informations in your hand. Then go into that incredible membership newsletter and start grabbing these incredible checks. Let's go over how this works starting right now. Step 1, go into the video, join the channel. Step 2, go to this website, news.lalate.com/newsletter. That website is at the top of the chat, the pinned comment, and the description